11:20, we are in an immense outdoor space surrounded by pure jungle. That's a ride for our ATV exploration adventure mode, and Mila is trying to fly the drone because we are documenting this whole trip since Los Sueños has been so generous to give us this amazing tour in my birthday. Couldn't be better than that, right?
We want to talk a little bit about Los Sueños. I mean, Gary, what would you say the definition of this park is? I mean, how would you define this park?
Adventure.
Adventure?
Funny things, beautiful stuff, and nature too.
Beautiful. Yeah, so this is like a big family, guys, and honestly, the service is excelling. I mean, we're so happy, right, babe?
We're excited. I mean, what I'm enjoying the most is that we are at nature and we are not harming it in any way. We are respecting everything. We've seen toucans, macaws, a lot of iguanas. So, I mean, this can't get any better.
Yeah.
So we encourage you to do more adventures, outdoors, travel, don't be afraid.
Yep.
Just do it and be prepared for whatever. Like, for example, what just happened.
Yeah.
This is something that...
Look at him. He's still stuck. One was looking for the shadow and he got into the shadow. Costa Rica. So friend, how was the experience?
Awesome.
Tell me.
Awesome.
100%?
100%.
Like they say here, pura vida?
Yeah, pura vida.
Super cool.
Yeah.
And it's been an adventure, you know? Water, rivers, just pure nature at its best. Live al 100%.
Thank you. Pura vida.
It's 12 and I feel like the day it's just starting. Look at me, you have to, I'm completely soaked from
Look at our shoes.
head to
Look
toe.
at our shoes. How do you feel about this adventure?
I mean, I've never expected to have this today. It's something amazing, and I mean, there's no words to describe how the day has been going.
Yeah.
Adventures mode on. Our crew is fantastic.
Yeah.
So apparently we have something going on over there.
Yeah, there's like a pool, right? Like a natural pool?
Like a natural pool, yes. I don't know.
Yeah, we have to go there because I'm sweating like a pig.
Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh my god.
This is paradise. Yeah, it's cool.
Miami!
Pura vida.
So far the experience, babe,
Well,
just let us know.
We rest for about 20 minutes. The main point of this trip was to spend some time at a beautiful natural pool. It was probably 70 degrees. It was freezing, but we managed to stay there and be calm in this nature around and surrounded by trees. So come along with us, because this is the next part of the off-road trip.
My hobby took me everywhere. He didn't care. He was just doing this and that. But
We
yeah,
almost flipped, right?
yeah, we almost flipped, but it was intense.
So what was the experience, guys? How you feel?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Very good. Awesome.
Strongly recommended for people coming from all over the country.
100%.
Don't miss it.
100%.
It's a 10.
It's a 10, 10, 10.
So thank you, my friend, for taking care of this.
With pleasure. We'll all see you next time in Costa Rica. Enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Remember, everything here is pura vida.
This is adventure, pure adventure, guys. So, you know, come to Los Sueños. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna do adventure at the fullest, okay? We're gonna link it below. Hit the bottom and go visit their website. They have all kind of information, horse rides, ATVs rides, and the canopy, and you know, much more.